Today we're going to make the fan lamp. We're going to start by making the first row. As you can see here, I've fanned out 5 pieces of the colored panel with the team name on it. Those 5 pieces, stack them together so that the last letter of the team name is on the top, just as pictured. Start by picking up 2 panels, 2 pieces. As we talked about in tips and tricks, you never align 2 straight sides together and never align 2 round sides. Always round to a straight, or a 90-degree notch, or a curved notch together. If you haven't seen the tips and tricks, please review the video. It's only a minute long, and it'll help you to build the lamp. Starting to make row 1, with the panel in your right hand, turn it horizontal so the team name is upside down. Place over the top, connect those 2. Again, rotate horizontal and connect the 2 tails. Going on to piece 3, rotate the lamp clockwise. Again, horizontal, connect the center and the bottom. Piece 4, again, we're always going to enter in horizontally to our lamp the vertical piece. Connect the center and attach the bottom tail. Piece 5, go up under this piece here and get the tail to connect into the center. Attach these 2 tails and attach this tail, and you've made row 1. So now we're going to assemble row 2. This time we're going to use 5 pieces of your white panel with the team logo. We're going to connect them to row 1. We're going to start by lifting the lamp, turning it upside down, and holding it as such, so that your thumb is placed near the letter of the word, and you can see how a piece will connect here, similar to this. So starting row 2, pick up your white panel, connect into the center. What the center means is if you see 3 connection points, we're going to connect into the center. Connect the top left, and then connect the right. And automatically the lamp rotates for us to connect the next piece. So piece 2, connect into the center, connect the top left, connect the right side. 3, again, if you're connecting on the inside or trying to connect on the inside like so, remember that the round edge has to be outside the top edge. So connect through the center, connect your top, connect your right. Finish with piece number 5. To slow that down, connect into the center, the top left, and the top right. And our ball is 1/5 of the way done. So now we're going to make row 3. Row 3 will use 10 pieces. 5 of your colored panel with the team name. Lay them out horizontally, as I have here, 5 pieces. And 5 of your white panel with your team logo. We're going to start, again, by connecting a straight side underneath the round edge. You'll also know where to begin because we've connected 3 tails of the one piece and there's a 4th piece to start from. So connecting into the center, right side and left. So your lamp is like such. Next is we're going to continue connecting to the piece going to the right. So the straight side goes under the round, connects into the 5-sided star or spiral, connect to the top left, connect to the right. So we're going to connect into the center, create 5, to the left, to the right. Next we're going to do a green panel. If you're doing a different lamp, you're going to be doing the panel with the team name. You can see that there are 3 connectors. Connect into the center, connect to the top, connect to the right. The next piece, a straight side, always goes under a round. So start from the bottom here, connect to the top left, connect to the right. And we're going to continue back and forth between each color. We're going to speed up a little bit. If you get behind, just rewind the video as the entire 3rd row is mixing between each panel. So the assembly is always the same. Into the center, connect the top, connect the right side. Our last piece is going to connect right here, but it needs to be behind the 2 round edges. So start with just one side. Don't worry about this side yet. Connect the bottom, as you've been doing. Connect the top. Next, bend the piece underneath so that the bottom right connects and the top right. To show you that one more time, I'm going to take the piece off and redo it. We're going to slide underneath, connect to our 5-sided tail spiral, connect the left, connect the bottom right, connect the top. And just make sure all your tails are connected and row 3 is done. Now we're going to complete row 4. Row 4 you're going to use 5 pieces stacked together horizontally of your team logo, the white panel. Picking up the lamp, we're going to connect the piece to one side of the colored and one side of the white. It's very similar to row 2. So I know that my straight side always has to go behind a round. Or in this case, we know that the white panel, straight side, has to connect behind the white panel curved edge. Connect your left center edge, like such. Connect your top. Connect the right side. Rotate the lamp slightly and repeat the same process. So straight edge goes behind round, swoop behind the tail, connect the left, connect the right. Continuing the process, Again, the last piece, straight edge behind the round, white panel to white panel, connect the left, connect the top left, and then connect the right. And row 4 is done. Now we're going to make row 5. This is the final row. You should have 5 remaining pieces of the colored panel that say your team name. You can see here there are 5 remaining tabs. Starting with one piece, aligning the straight side behind a round. Simply take your tail and connect underneath these, not behind it, just behind the panel, and make your 5-sided spiral. Connect your left edge, connect your right edge. The motion of this lamp is the exact same as you've been making it. It's just a little tighter now. But remember, always a straight side behind the round, connecting to either make a 3-tail spiral or a 5. Connect the top, connect the right. Continue on to the third piece. If you want to start from the right, you can, or start from the left. But now we're going to connect all 4 tails. The final piece, go slow with me just to connect it and make sure you don't make a mistake. Take the final piece with the straight side and just slide it behind the rounded edge. Don't focus on the top for now. Simply just connect the right and connect the left so that you see 3-sided and 5-sided spiral. Then take the top piece and bend it. As you can see here, bend so that your fingers go underneath the other panel. And just connect one of the edges, as it has right here. And then slide the last piece into place. Again, if your pieces pop out, it's okay, just reattach them. Bend it, go under the panel, connect the right, connect the left. And your lamp is finished.